I'm going to show you around the Skype for Business iPECS cloud integration. Those of you who are used to Skype for Business, you'll recognise this top section here. It hasn't changed at all with the integration. What the Skype for Business integration adds is this small snap-on client to the bottom. So if you were to move this window around at all, this would always stay connected to the Skype for Business window. The great thing about the Skype for Business client is it works with both the on-site server, so the Microsoft server, and also Microsoft 365 hosted version. It also allows you to click to dial from your contacts as well. So if you see a contact here, if I want to call Greg, I'd simply right click and then make call. If they've got multiple numbers, you can also select the number, so work, mobile or home, and hit OK to dial them. Obviously the great thing about this is it means you don't have to manage two sets of directories. You've got one directory held in Microsoft 365 and it allows you to dial it directly through the Skype for Business application. You can also dial out just using your number pad and dial out from the box here, so enter the number you want to dial and hit the green button to call or hit enter. And you've got three settings as well, so you've got forward, so you can preset a number that you'd like your phone to be forwarded to. So in my case it's my mobile number, simply select that to enable it. You've also got do not disturb, again obviously select that to enable it, and pickup. So if you're in the same pickup group as other users, you can hit the pickup button to answer their phone. If you're on a call, so if I put a call out to my mobile number, you'll notice that the buttons at the bottom here change. So you've now got transfer, so you can transfer the call to another extension number. If I hit the transfer button now, you can also put the person on hold, and you can also mute them as well. If I go into the settings, so you've got the little cog, this is where the bulk of the configuration would be done. You've also got the ability to set either voice client or remote call control. So this is with voice or without voice. The VC client, so the with voice, this allows you to use it as your primary phone, so you can plug a headset into your PC or laptop and use that as your main phone. If you still like to have a desk phone and you'd like to use a desk phone but still have the integration, you can use the RCC version, so the remote call control version, or the without voice version. This actually acts as a controller for your desk phone. So if I was to dial out from the interface or click to dial from my contacts within Skype for Business, it would actually push that call out from your desk phone. I mentioned earlier that you can set a number for the call forward to go through. That's also set from within here. So that's really it for the Skype for Business application. It's a nice simple application, really easy to set up, really easy for the end user to use. The great thing about it being added on with this kind of flexible client at the bottom here that just tags itself to the bottom, you don't lose any of the usual features that you get within Skype for Business. So you retain every feature from Skype for Business. You've just got the added bonus of being able to dial out and use it as your main phone.